not a good sign when you pull the cover off your motor, folks. Not a good sign. I don't know how that's going to help pull the cover off. A lot of boats out here today. I forgot today's Sunday. Sweetwater's parking lot's full, but I think that might be workers back up in there. Definitely not a good sign, folks. I noticed these trolling motor was down. I guess that's how they got back in. Alright, folks. Yamaha's purring like a kitten. Cypress Cove did a good job. Everything's working so far. Still got problems with the trailer lights, but other than that, everything seems to be working. Power trim, steering's a lot better. I got that no feedback steering. We're heading on out, folks. Cruising at 28 miles an hour, 3,800 RPM. I've run this track quite a few times, so. Alright, folks, that's the first one of the day. We got here at 6:58 and 7:08. You caught the first one. 6:58, 7:08. Caught the first one. Water doesn't look too good, but we'll give it E for effort. Alright, folks, this is number 2.
Pretty much right, almost directly underneath.
Number 2. Number 2 coming in, folks. I got.
Yeah, that's a keeper. All right, guys. Perfect. So I think I might have that dang gator, boss.
We think we got a drum, da-dum-dum, or a gator, one of the two. I guess you got the gator.
Uh-huh.
That's what you got, the gator. That big gator over there, folks, what it's got. Hey, folks, if I can do this. There he is.
Nice one. Good size.
There he is, folks. Hi, folks, we're in Bay Jack, Nevette. We got a shitload of birds diving right here. They ain't caught nothing yet, but we're gonna try fishing. We don't have no caulk setups, but they sure are flying around here. Birds everywhere. Oh, there's a fish. You missed him? Hi, folks. It's gaff tops under the catfish. I mean, no, under the birds. A little bitty gaff top. That's alright. I like that. I can handle a gaff top. Hi, folks. A fisherman's dream. We're in the midst of a whole bunch of birds. Sitting right here in Bay Jack, Nevette. That's Oak River right over there. There used to be a pylon over here, but they pulled it up. But the birds are all over us. We got a couple of reds under these birds. Need a net?
Yeah.
Another little rat red, Bill.
Yeah. Oh, gaff top.
The gaff top, folks.
Double tandem on with a power prong juniors on, guys. Chartreuse tail. We got you. Get them up. Yeah, red. Nice red. All right.
Two fish. Two
I
of them.
got two.
Two.
Two reds.
Two. I think one's a white trout, huh?
No, two reds.
Two reds?
One's a rat red and one's a big red. All right. No, he's staying down. Ain't a good sign, guys. Not a good sign. Oh, he's running. Look at it. Yeah, nice little red. Nice red. Beautiful red. All right. Boss, take one home. For a second. We've got another nice little red here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Perfect, right? Come and take. Perfect.
Caught in the net.
Yeah. There you go. Now the perfect size. Perfect size, guys. These are the size of love.
Oh, trout, man, a trout.
Hey! Top bait this time.
I tried the twin tail teaser here. Hit the purple. I mean the pink one. Nice one. Nice little red. Yes sir. All right, folks. That's tight lining a twin tail teaser. There's the jig head.
Oh, there he is.
There he is there.
Number one, guys.
Twin tail teaser, baby. Banana fish.
It is, whatever it is.
Rudy's got one up front, folks. We are in them. These birds are right at the top of these redfish. Caught trout, redfish, and flounder right here. Right in Bay-Jack, Nevada, folks. Check out my post. I'm going to show you right where we at.
Kitty cat. Kitty cat.
Kitty cat.
Two kitty cats.
Two kitty cat. No.
A cat and a red.
Rare. Hey, babe. Nice trout here, folks. Nice trout. First one at Delacroix.
I think these are big boy. The biggest one we caught today.
You got both.
Go ahead and reel in your line, boss.
What?
It's going to get all tangled up in me again. Your line's getting all tangled up.
It's still biting, folks. Got a nice big red there. Birds about all gone. We got a few left.
Pop my line again. Let's see what we got. I haven't seen him yet, so that's not a good sign.
Yeah, another red. I had the birds left for a little while and they came back, folks. And we're back in the redfish. Right in Bay-Jack, Nevada. Alright, folks, we're just out here having fun. Throwing back 20, 24-inch redfish. Folks, we're doubling up here. Doubling up here.
It's a double.
We're not even netting them anymore, folks. We're just whipping them in. Alright, folks, I just caught one. Big Rudy's over here. He's got another big one out there. This is one of those trips you want to dream about, folks. I'd love to get my grandson on one of these. Alright, folks, it was a little bit of a rough ride coming back across Little Lake. Had a north-northwest wind, probably 10 to 12, maybe 12 to 15. It's blowing pretty good right here, right now. I just dropped Rudy off. He's going to get the truck and the trailer and bring it on down where I keep the boat at. We're going to leave the boat down, and after today's trip, we may have to come back out here again soon. Nice trip. Redfish Haven. Check the end of my video, and you'll see you'll see exactly where we're fishing at, and I'll tell you the water depths and everything else that goes along with it. I don't know what it is, folks, but he just jumped in the boat. Anybody have any idea what that is? Fucker just jumped in the boat, folks. Just jumped in the boat. I think I caught one of them one time. Big fish. Alright folks, that's our catch today. Had a good time. Real good time.